Let's dive into an electrifying tale, a saga that defies norms and ignites curiosity. Imagine a rising star, still in the dawn of their career, brimming with untapped potential. They stride forward, eyes ablaze with determination, and boldly proclaim, by 2025, they'll reign supreme in their home country's industry. By 2030, they'll dominate that same industry on a global scale. Ambitious? Absolutely. But this isn't your run-of-the-mill dreamer. It's Chuanfu, the visionary founder of China's BYD, a company that has already seized the throne as the world's premier electric vehicle manufacturer. Imagine a future where the hum of electric engines drowns out the competition, where BYD's unique assets propel them to unprecedented heights. BYD possesses unique assets that, to date, no other competitor, including Tesla, has managed to acquire. So, who is BYD, and how did they ascend so rapidly? What distinguishes their management style, and how did they achieve such growth? These are the questions we will explore in today's episode. Buckle up, because today's episode unravels the electrifying journey of BYD, a tale that defies convention and leaves us hungry for more. If you're all about that electric buzz and crave the latest scoop on Tesla, BYD, and the electric elite, smash that thumbs up button. Not yet part of the crew? Hit subscribe and ring that bell to electrify your future with the hottest updates. I'm Liam, and welcome to your channel, Behind Steering Wheel. Let's get started. In the premiere of our tale, if we were to summarize the entrepreneurial saga of the company's founder in a mere sentence, it would be the perfect man at the perfect moment. The reason? Chuanfu's graduation from university was perfectly timed with the early 1990s, when Deng Xiaoping, the father of China's economic boom, was at the helm. This fortunate timing was a boon for the nascent BYD company. In those days, Wang had freshly concluded his advanced studies in metallurgical chemistry at the Beijing Institute of Metallurgical Chemistry, earning top honors. His subsequent role in a state agency, where he delved into the intricacies of battery chemistry, placed him at the forefront of a sector that was just heating up. The electronics revolution was taking off, mobile phones were becoming ubiquitous, and batteries were a precious commodity. At this juncture, Japan dominated the global battery market, unmatched in efficiency and price. It was against this backdrop that Wang decided to leap into the fray. During the zenith of the 90s, Japan made a groundbreaking declaration to cease the production of nickel-cadmium batteries, once the crown jewels of their industry due to their environmental toll. These batteries, notorious for their toxicity, demanded meticulous disposal methods post-use. This bold step by Japan sent ripples across the global battery market, creating a void in supply. It was amidst this tumult that Chuanfu spotted his golden chance. With a visionary's foresight, he embarked on a quest to fill the gap left by Japan. Procuring patents from tech giants Sony and Sanyo, he dove deep into the intricacies of their batteries. Through reverse engineering, he meticulously deconstructed and analyzed them, unraveling the secrets of their construction. His formidable research acumen of the era was his ally, propelling him to master the art of battery production and emerge triumphant in crafting the coveted battery. Yet Sony and Sanyo, the titans dominating this domain, weren't about to relinquish control so easily. As we'll soon discover, they plotted to thwart him at the most critical juncture of his company's existence. But our protagonist was undeterred, armed with his product and a vision to forge a new enterprise. Thus, the birth of BYD Company marked the beginning of an era fraught with challenges. From this moment on, brace yourself for the unfolding saga. Sir, we've launched the company and BYD has soared. Everything's top-notch. But the real challenge? Funding the factory and machinery. Money doesn't grow on trees, does it? When asked if he had the funds, he replied, "Not a dime, but I've got a plan. Borrow $300,000 from my cousin. Make him a partner, and there we go." But let's face it, $300,000 is a drop in the ocean for the battery industry, which demands hefty capital. Yet, he had a trick up his sleeve. Leveraging China's low-cost labor, a game-changer none of his rivals had. Ditching pricey machines for human skill, he invested in essential equipment, and humans did the rest, creating a semi-automated, semi-manual production line. The result? A factory churning out 4,000 nickel-cadmium batteries daily, all set up with less than $250,000. And by '96, not even a year in, BYD eclipsed Japan's Sanyo, thanks to a lucrative deal with Taiwan's electronics firm Daba, raking in a fortune. And not only that, in a twist of fate, the 1997 Asian financial crisis, which wreaked havoc on numerous Japanese firms, became an unexpected boon for BYD. With their backs against the wall, industry titans like Sony and Panasonic turned to BYD, whose competitive pricing promised a lifeline. They weren't alone. Philips and Motorola, then behemoths of the phone manufacturing world, also struck deals with BYD. This series of strategic alliances catapulted BYD into the battery industry's elite, all within a mere 3-year sprint. Capturing a staggering 40% of the global market, BYD's battery sales soared to an impressive $150 million. As the millennium turned, a colossus named Nokia had conquered the global stage, reigning supreme as the world's foremost mobile phone manufacturer. In their quest for unparalleled quality, Nokia sought the expertise of BYD for their cutting-edge battery technology. This collaboration marked the beginning of an era as industry titans such as Black & Decker, Dell, Ericsson, Huawei, and Samsung, in a flurry of excitement, flocked to BYD. Their collective endorsement catapulted BYD to the prestigious rank of the world's second-largest battery supplier by the years 2002 to 2003, a testament to their innovation and excellence. In a strategic move, the founder of BYD Company eyed the stock market in 2002, aiming to leverage the buzz his company was generating. However, as they set their sights on expansion, Japanese tech giants Sony and Sanyo launched a formidable legal challenge, accusing BYD of intellectual property theft. This clash of titans stalled BYD's market debut, trapping them in a web of legal wrangling. But after months of intense courtroom battles, BYD emerged victorious against Sony and settled with Sanyo, clearing the path for their triumphant listing on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. This IPO turned out to be one of the era's most stellar, drawing in a legion of investors, including some of the industry's heavyweights. Stay tuned for the next episode, where these players deliver a reckoning like no other. I'll dive deeper into this saga then. Everything's been spot on so far. Now turn your attention to this diagram. It's crucial. It maps out BYD Company's operational arenas. You'll spot their stronghold in the battery domain, their bread and butter. Then comes the automotive realm, and we'll soon uncover the strategy behind their venture into this territory. But the real game changer I need to discuss is the semiconductor and electronics sector, encompassing all related gadgets. This pivotal arena is the ace up the sleeve for BYD's founder in the automotive game. How do these spheres intertwine? We'll demystify that soon. For now, let's zoom in on this segment because its inception was serendipitous, marked by a cunning ruse yet naive oversight by Foxconn's founder, who unwittingly handed over the entire industry to BYD on a silver platter. What was the masterstroke? Keep up with me for the unfolding story. In the early 2000s, BYD's ascent caught Foxconn's eye, sparking a desire to tap into the potential of this emerging powerhouse. Known for assembling Apple's sleek phones and other high-tech gadgets, Foxconn, a titan in electronics manufacturing, saw an opportunity for a strategic alliance. They proposed a partnership, offering to craft components like the plastic battery casings and other something like that, a collaboration that promised mutual growth. The Foxconn chief, with a vision for synergy, extended an olive branch to BYD's founder, inviting him to tour their state-of-the-art production facilities. Mesmerized by the intricate dance of assembly lines, the BYD envoy's gears turned. Why not forge my own path? He pondered. Create a hub where electronic components come alive under my banner, serving not just my needs but others as well. To us, mere spectators, such ambition might seem daunting, a leap into the unknown, a colossal industry. Yet, our protagonist wasn't deterred by the scale of his dream. He made a bold, decisive play, poaching not one, not two, but a staggering 400 Foxconn employees. This move sparked a legal maelstrom between 2003 and 2009, with Foxconn hurling accusations of espionage and talent snatching at BYD. They claimed these defectors carried with them the lifeblood of Foxconn trade secrets, projects' details, the inner workings. These were no ordinary employees. They were Foxconn's finest, honed by the company's investment and international training. Foxconn's charges painted a picture of BYD as a corporate raider, reaping the rewards of their labor. The saga culminated in the arrest and minimal sentencing of the implicated employees. Through the turmoil, BYD emerged nearly unscathed, a testament to the fine line between cutthroat competition and strategic genius. Now, imagine this. In 2004, BYD's phone manufacturing and assembly division was booming, with profits soaring to an impressive 900 million Chinese yuan. But that was just the beginning. In 2005, the profits didn't just grow. They exploded, doubling to a staggering 1.9 billion Chinese yuan. And by 2006, the growth was nothing short of phenomenal, with profits skyrocketing nearly fourfold to an astounding 5 billion Chinese yuan. This extraordinary success story took a dramatic turn in 2006 when the electronics division was spun off into its own entity, BYD Electronics, with the parent company retaining the lion's share of ownership. This strategic move positioned BYD with a powerhouse in electronics, right alongside its already dominant battery production. Now picture this. BYD, armed with cutting-edge batteries and advanced electronics, is poised to revolutionize the automotive industry. These two powerful aces up its sleeve make BYD a formidable competitor, capable of taking on any challenger in the global electric vehicle market. With such unparalleled expertise and strategic maneuvering, it's no wonder that BYD is on track to become the world's leading electric vehicle manufacturer. Get ready, because the future of electric vehicles is here, and BYD is leading the charge. Now we come to the most crucial part of BYD company, the automotive division. Honestly, everything I've told you so far is just the beginning. The automotive division is a whole different world, filled with epic battles and extraordinary tales. In the next episode, I'll take you on a thrilling journey through these remarkable stories. So, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Don't miss out on the extraordinary tales that lie ahead. Stay tuned!